What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Welcome back to another video. As you can see behind me, we have a beautiful OBS Ford truck and a beautiful Faith. And we have some really fun plans for you guys. In today's video, we're kind of going back to an old school type platform of video that Faith and I have done in the past. And it's really just hardcore detailing, cleaning up a vehicle as best as we can. We're getting all of the dirt, well, hopefully all the dirt, as much as we possibly can, off and out of this old OBS Ford truck.
Out and off.
Out of the inside. We're getting the dirt out of the inside,
yes.
Off of the outside.
Yes.
Yep. And we're actually gonna pay special close attention to the engine bay and the undercarriage, because I'm pretty sure that both the engine bay and the undercarriage have like almost no rust, but we gotta kind of get past all the dirt that's under there and really figure that out.
What are you talking about? The inside's my favorite part.
Well, I will do the exterior, Faith will do the interior.
Well, hey, now that's not what I meant.
For those of you who are new to the truck, we just picked this up. Faith bought it, it's a dream truck of hers.
This is not mine. Let that be known.
Yeah, it's my truck. So I've been looking for this exact truck for about a year now, and I finally found it a couple weeks ago. We've just been so busy with our companies and our day-to-day businesses that we have not had a chance to detail it yet. Are you gonna show them the engine bay?
I just have an inkling that that's what you want to show them next.
I do. So if you guys don't already know, this is a 1996 F350 crew cab long bed with the 7.3 liter turbo diesel engine.
Ew.
Yeah, super, hey, no. You guys check this out. Look how big that turb ski is back there. Look at that thing. It's massive.
Don't ever say that again.
What? Turb ski?
Turd ski?
Turb ski.
Turd ski?
A turbo. Turb ski. It's mint.
Well, get washing.
Mint. So we actually have a lot of work ahead of us. This thing is a beast and it is very dirty. So I'm gonna hand the camera over to Faith, and I think I'm gonna start off with the engine bay.
Let's do it.
And I went to the store and got this stuff. Purple Power. It's a little bit stronger than the stuff we use every day, because the average car we do is like a luxury high-end car, and this is not a luxury high-end car. So I bought this stuff with a foam gun attachment. Hey, this stuff foams really well. Ends up working out a lot better than doing this, like
yeah, that's true.
Name of the game with this stuff is you let the product do the work. So
You're gonna let it sit?
yeah.
Cool.
All right, the engine turned out pretty good, I think, for being a 96, and I probably never detailed before. We're gonna let it air dry, we're gonna move on to the undercarriage, and I have a few tricks up my sleeve. Hold on one second.
Oh, great. It's probably something embarrassing. I knew it.
Right.
I knew it was gonna be embarrassing.
All right. So this obviously allows me to see the undercarriage while I'm spraying it everywhere, and I have the short gun, so I can do it.
You can
Just get to
breathe?
it. Yeah, look.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, that was a lot more work than I thought. And the goggles just fogged right up. That wasn't a pro tip.
Yeah.
That was just a gimmick thing.
Looks like you need some power washing.
I do.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
All right, let's wash the body now.
Okay, so the camen's in the way. The sun is going down, which means we need to pull the truck in to do the inside. So, all right, now it is time for the nitty gritty. Actually, I think the nitty gritty stuff was the undercarriage. That was pretty bad.
I actually thought the exterior was gonna go way faster, so the interior is gonna take us forever. I will say though, that was the first wash this truck has probably had in quite some time, and it actually looks a lot more white. Whereas before it was like very tan. It's still off-white, but
it does look better.
much better.
It does. All right, so you guys know how we like to do details. We take the seats out, so woo! All right, let the vacuuming begin. My friends always ask me how I stay so fit. I tell them detail for a living.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
All right, next up is super satisfying shampoo time. Inside's coming along fantastic, but next up we have the seats to shampoo. All the seats are done. This is my favorite part. It's the chocolate.
The grossest.
It's the chocolate milk maker.
Oh my, that's so gross, dude. Watch. This is. Oh my gosh, this is so gross.
Chocolate. Oh, that looks like expired chocolate milk. Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. That came out of your seats.
I'm glad it's not in the car anymore.
All right, friends. I think that concludes the detail. That was way more work than we anticipated, but that's what you get when you have a 20-year-old car. So, check it out. It looks so much better. The carpet looks way better.
Got it. Sweet.
Getting the finishing touches?
Yeah, it's a lot cleaner, but far from perfect.
Yep,
really, to get it perfect, we'll have to tear everything out of the car.
But check out the engine bay. It turned out pretty darn good.
Dang,
Yeah.
that's right off the line.
Ooh. I think that looks the best out of this whole detail for sure.
Yeah, that looks really good.
For a 20-year-old truck, I think we did pretty good. What do you think?
I think so too.
But guys, we actually have some news that we haven't shared with you.
Very sad news.
Very sad news, but I'm very excited because this news means we get to get another car. So we sold the SRT. We sold it like, I don't know,
4 days ago.
4 days ago.
Yeah.
The new owner was stoked and I'm very excited for him. I'm very excited for me now because now we get to go car shopping.
You get to go car shopping.
We get to go car shopping.
Car shopping.
I get to go car shopping.
Yeah, you guys, we have so much more content coming in the channel. Make sure you click subscribe, like this video so you don't miss out on future videos. We have a lot of stuff in store for this truck right here.
I think it's time to go to bed.
I think it's time to go to bed.
10 p.m.
It's, oh my gosh. You guys, until the next video, peace.